Hey guys, welcome back to another paint with me. These are the nails that we will be doing today. Super sparkly, right? Okay, we are jumping right into the video and I'm grabbing Wet n Wild's Beach Please and using it as my base coat. Yeah, I had to slow it down because Beach Please almost came out as something completely different. Okay, and as you can see, I'm not using any special method to polish my nails. Hell, I'm not even staying inside the lines, which is not a big deal for me because I usually clean up my edges when I'm done. Guys, I'm just going to continue to paint until I have done each finger. Now that we are finished with that, I'm just going to pick up our next polish, which is Sally Hansen's Frozen Solid. And I'm just going to apply it over Beach Please. This took a little longer because I'm running out of this one. Moving forward, I'm picking up Cocktail and now applying it. And guys, this is the last actual polish I'll be applying. I mean, besides my top coat, which is what I swear by. And I'll link a video somewhere up above so you can click to see which top coat that is. I never do my nails without sealing them with my top coat. That is priority. And this is it, guys. This is what you should have when you are done. And that's if you use the same polishes that I did. It's cool to get crazy, use your own. I'm just here to inspire you. That is it. You do not have to do your nails as I did. But I hope you enjoyed. Normally I will be done, but as you can see, I've made a mistake. So I'm going to go back in and fix it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, guys, as always, thank you all so much for watching. And please do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye. Big bodies being packed, it's a party.